The following footage is certified PG. Pretty great.
Hello all, welcome back. Hope you're all doing okay and having a fabulous weekend. So come with me on my first harbour bike night down at Ramsgate. I've never been to a bike night. It's been many years since I've met up with any other bikers apart from in bike shops. So yeah, let's go for a ride down to Ramsgate Harbour. I'm going to edit this video so I'll show the best bits of the ride down there and all that, and we'll have a little walk around. I might put my little nano on there so I don't look like too much of a dick holding the camera. But let's go have a wander. We'll have a little chat on way if we can. And yeah, let's go! So as I was saying, I've never been to any kind of bike night or any bike meet, only the Kent Custom Bike Show back in the 80s when I was a kiddie and a teenager with my stepfather and mum and a couple of mates. That's the only time I've ever really been to a bike meet as such. Obviously I've been out to the odds, well that even then, when back in the 80s was a show. This isn't really, this is just a meet we're going to. So, in theory, I've never really been to a bike meet, I suppose. I only met up with my mates when I was a teenager. There wasn't really such a thing as an internet back then either, so there's all word of mouth and newspaper and stuff like that, but no one really knew a thing. But now there's the old Tinterweb. There's many more nights like this available to go to, and it's free. Everyone gets to go down there, show off their bikes, look at other bikes and chat bikes. So the bike night down at Ramsgate Harbour is 7 PM onwards. I think it's every Monday. Down at Ramsgate Harbour outside Spoons. Let's be a bit naughty, maybe go on the outside here. Bit naughty, I know, but got to watch speed cameras as well. Oh dear. God, I love riding this bike, and this is what I love about riding bikes. I said in my channel the other day on a live feed, I like to have a laugh. If I can make other people laugh as well, I will. But I feel humour has a Patch Adams effect on many problems. If you've never seen the film Patch Adams, watch it, Robin Williams. It's about giving people that sense of humour, that comedy effect, that sort of taking away those moments of their lives which are a bit rubbish. Depression, illness, sickness, death. Sometimes you've got to have a bit of a laugh with each other. And I work on that very, very belief. If you can have a laugh with someone, great. If it can take away that moment of sadness or depression, happy days. That's what I find. If I can make people laugh, you'll find that many comedians, I'm not saying I am a comedian, but you'll find that many comedians are actually really manic depressives, and when they go home they're grumpy, they're depressed. That's what it's about. And just if I can make someone's sense of humour, just make someone laugh once per day, it makes me a little bit happier. because I do myself suffer with depression. It's crap. I have had thoughts in my head. November is coming up. Movember, look it up, but I can't grow one for shit. Done one last year. I thought I looked like bloody American fuck. Not American, Australian fuck. So I'm thinking it's bloody name now. But also looked like Keanu Reeves from Toy Story. Kaboom! Duke Kaboom! We're going down Ramsgate Road now. We're not too far away. It's a 20-minute drive from my house. Just seen another bike go down. We'll go the fancy route. So Christmas is coming up, the winter days are coming up, so we're doing more sort of mods, inspections on this old girl. And we're nearly at the harbour. Yeah. So I was doing some research on this as well the other day. And my Bandit. So this is £50 lighter than my Suzuki Bandit. It has 30 to 40 more horsepower. What else I'll read up about it? Did read up some other issues, some other things as well. Yeah, so yeah, more horsepower, less weight. Obviously worth a lot more. I love this piece of road. Shame I don't have the bollocks to lean it over. And here we are, Ramsgate Harbour. You watch, probably going to be no one here today, you watch. Old Japanese style. Bit different, ain't it?
Bit like Marmite, you either like it or you fucking hate it.
I don't like it, but
Yeah,
I think it brings back.
It's a Japanese derived thing.
Yeah.
It doesn't surprise me, because they do some bizarre
They
stuff.
do some
in cars
bizarre stuff,
that
don't
don't
they?
like. I've seen some bizarre stuff, and I've got no doubt. As soon as I see it,
I think it's that Kazi or Kazi. I'm not quite sure what the style is, but
yeah, it's
yeah, it's a twin, so it's a GS 500. Yeah.
500E, which they're quite rare now because the older car bikes.
You can't have enough fucking I'm gonna try. Because you're like talking to do like you're in fifth. You're in fifth and all of a sudden it's like
No, good old Bandit. A couple of Bandits down here. Oh, sorry, buddy.
Hey, mate.
BMW RR, nice. So there we go. There's Ramsgate Bike Meet. Don't think it's very busy because it is getting winter time. But yeah, a cracking couple of people. Couple of drunkens from the Spoons area. But otherwise, some lovely bikes, including that old Japanese thing. I can't. If anyone knows, let me know in the comments, because I can't think of the name of what it's called. The sort of styling. I think it's from some kind of Japanese biker game. I remember seeing it recently. I might have to look it up. Though it's not my cup of tea. It's still a cracking bike. It's nice to see all sorts, and this is what I mean about the biker community. We're all here to enjoy the freedom of two wheels. Obviously some people only do it because they use it as a way of life, but the majority of us who own bikes own them because we love them. So we're going to go the long route home, I think. Leaving a bit early, might as well take a bit of advantage and get out there. Try these cameras out, and this DJI Mic 3, try all my cameras out in night mode. So I thoroughly enjoyed that. If you enjoyed it as well, subscribe! It doesn't cost a thing! And it helps the channel out greatly. I'll probably try and do some more of those if the weather's okay. But as I've said before, this old girl will be getting tucked up for winter. You stored it in. So I'm currently on annual leave at the moment as well, so I'm trying to get some videos made up. So I'll have to wait for the next few weeks. Come on. Oh, you sod-bag. Oh god, this is so good. So what else do I see there? Loads of bandits. Loads of bandits, I mean. BMW RR. Never seen one of those in the flesh, I don't think. couple of Triumphs. That big old Honda, that Suzuki thing, which I thought was absolutely amazing. Definite Marmite bike. Definite Marmite bike. Bit like the Buell, I suppose, isn't it? Bit of a Marmite bike. Not everyone likes them, but I like them because they're ugly. Someone's got to love them. As the saying is, they got the looks that only their mum could love. What else was there? Couple of Enfields as well. Nice to see some little 125s down there and a couple of scooters. Oh, be careful up there. Don't be overtaking down here, Adrian. The fuzz are down here. The NYPD, Margate York Police Department. Oh, thanks, mate. Bit comfortable, eh? I'm doing a legal limit. Maybe do a live Q&A. Put them in the shed, in the man cave. I'll try and do another one of those. I've done one recently quite well. I think I had a whole 14, 15 people watching at one point. That's nice. Thank you very much to the chaps. And the people that was chatting away. Bloody love that. One young lad from South Africa just shows the world, no matter where you are from in the world, you can be friends. No matter what colour you are, what sexual orientation you are, gay, straight, bi, non-binary. Stop being daft. And be there for each other. Stop blowing each other up and cutting each other up and shooting each other. Stop all this shit. World peace and all that malarkey. I'm ranting and raving now, ain't I? So thank you very much to the people that all organise the Harbour Bike Meet. Ramsgate Harbour Bike Meet. I enjoyed that. Thank you. Obviously I understand it's fairly quiet tonight, probably because the cold weather and longer nights and shorter days, but thank you, that was good fun. So that is me signing out. Remember, please like, share, subscribe. Video here, subscribe here. Goodbye.
That's all, folks.